This is Brennan with AddyWorks. I've just bought some performance aftermarket motor mounts for my 2004 SVT Focus in the background here. And I'm going to try to shoot a little video on how to install them. So I've got the car here. I've got tools. You'll need a jack, impact, regular set of hand tools, all that. Pretty simple setup actually. And then you'll see this mount right here has aged pretty badly. And there's another mount underneath the air filter box that I don't know has ever been installed or replaced in the life of the vehicle. So the hood prop. The next step is getting a support under the engine. As I took my jack, I stuck a piece of wood in between the oil pan and the jack to distribute the weight more evenly, and I just jacked it up a little tiny bit, enough to support the engine when I pull the mounts out. For the service position, you'll need a 1/4 inch drive ratchet, 10mm socket on it, an extension as well. And that's to get to a little fastener right here that holds the coolant reservoir chain on. It's a single bolt. You get yourself a knife or a screwdriver. There's a small plastic tab holding on the reservoir to the shock tower, and all you do is bolt these. What's still connected here? Loosen this clamp, or remove this clamp. Let's see. You should be able to just move your coolant tank out of the way like so. Other people might tell you that you need to pull the power steering reservoir off as well, but that's not needed because you can access everything without having it there. Next step is removing the mount itself. You'll need a handy dandy impact and a 15 and 18mm socket. Extensions probably help too. That's why I've got this. So, track the bolts. There it is. That was a close one. I thought it wasn't going to come loose. Next, you'll be taking out the body to mount mounting bolts here. These are going to have to be breaker. I don't think this motor mount's ever been changed in the life of the vehicle. Yeah, that is crusty. Oy, dirty. There it is. I've done this, these motor mounts multiple times over the 3 or 4 Focuses that I've owned. The only mount I've ever changed on this one is the dog bone, the rear motor mount, to a polyurethane bushing insert kit from a manufacturer called Massive. Okay, I guess we need to take out the power steering reservoir. Now, this guy out. Okay. Hold it. For dear life. Never mind, you don't have to. Very much shinier. This is from Steeda, the polyurethane. Happy they still support the Mark 1 Focus platform. Some fastener instructions. Right through here. And there. So, we'll need to torque this fastener down to impact tight, I think. 38 foot-pounds. Drop her in. Okay, I'm going to set the jack down. And torque these to spec, which I don't have the spec on hand. Maybe my instructions have them. Torque the body mount bolts first. And I need the deep socket. There it is. And fine. Okay. And now we're done being in service position over here. So I can put this back, get the tabs lined up. And you just tighten up this thing.